Click-through rate, or CTR, is a fundamental metric in digital marketing that measures engagement. It tells you what percentage of people who see your link actually click on it. Think of it as a way to understand how interesting or compelling your content or advertisement is to your audience. If 100 people see your link and 5 people click it, that's a 5% click-through rate. It's a simple but powerful way to measure how well your digital content is performing. The formula for calculating CTR is straightforward. You take the number of clicks your link received and divide it by the number of impressions, which is how many times the link was shown. Then multiply that result by 100 to get a percentage. For example, if your link was shown 1,000 times and received 50 clicks, you divide 50 by 1,000 to get 0.05, then multiply by 100 to get 5% CTR. This simple calculation helps you understand the effectiveness of your digital marketing efforts. Let's look at 2 real-world examples. In an email campaign, if you send an email to 1,000 people and 50 of them click your link, your CTR is 5%. This is generally considered a good click-through rate for email. Now compare that to a web advertisement. If your ad is shown to 10,000 people online and only 150 click it, your CTR is 1.5%. This lower rate is normal for web ads because people browsing the internet are less focused on specific content than those reading an email. Several important factors influence your click-through rate. First, your call to action or CTA matters tremendously. Clear, compelling words that tell people exactly what to do will increase clicks. Second, design and placement are critical. A button that stands out and is placed where people naturally look will get more clicks. Third, relevance is essential. When your content matches what your audience is looking for, they are much more likely to click. Finally, timing plays a role. Showing your link at the right moment, when people are most engaged, will boost your CTR significantly. Click-through rate matters for 3 key reasons. First, it's a performance indicator. A high CTR tells you your content is engaging and resonating with your audience. Second, CTR directly impacts your return on investment. Higher click-through rates typically mean better conversion potential and more cost-efficient campaigns. Third, CTR helps with benchmarking. By tracking your CTR over time and comparing it across different campaigns, you can identify what works best and where you need to improve. Understanding and optimizing your click-through rate is essential for any successful digital marketing strategy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.